Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your model science teacher, and I would like to welcome you in this model science class. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to start lesson number 6, Chisimba. So let's begin the class. So at first, I'm going to read the paragraph and I will explain you the lesson. So here it is given, Godwin has a classmate and a close friend whose name is Chisimba. He often visit he often visits the Mulengas, and tonight he is staying for dinner. The conversation at the table jumps from one subject to another. Musonda wants to bring up the subject of confirmation and she is impatient. Finally, there are a few moments of silence. Rose and I have been talking about confirmation, says Musonda. Now here what it is explained that Godwin Godwin is the brother of Musonda, elder brother of Musonda. He is having a classmate and very close friend whose name is Chisimba. Okay, so in this story, now a new character is introduced who is Chisimba, and Chisimba is friend and classmate of Godwin. So what happens that he often visits the Mulengas, means Chisimba always, means often, sometime, that he used to come at Mulenga's family, to visit Mulenga's family. And what is happening to tonight, that he is going to stay for the dinner in with Mulengas. Okay, so at night time, during the dinner time, the conversation at the table jumps from one subject to another, means everyone while dinner on the dinner table, everyone is talking, that subject is changing from that conversation, it jumps from one subject to another subject continuously. Okay, and Musonda wants to bring up the subject of confirmation. What Musonda she wants to do, she wants to talk about the confirmation, and for that that subject, and for that she is impatient. Now she is impatient, that she wants that as soon as possible she wants to talk about the confirmation. Okay, and finally there is a few moments of silence. Finally she got the few moment of silence, means there was topic, no topic is there to talk. Then she is saying that Rose and I have been talking about confirmation, says Musonda. Musonda is saying to all everyone that myself and Rose, we both are talking about the confirmation. Okay, there goes my little sister, says Godwin. Godwin is saying that there goes my little sister, means what you are talking about, that my little sister, clearing his throat. That Godwin is clearing his throat and saying that there goes my little sister, means where you are going. But he is surprised. Simba looks interested, but Godwin is surprised. Why Godwin is surprised? He is surprised to see that Simba is taking interest in that subject. And Chisimba is asking to Musonda that what does the word mean to you? Okay, Chisimba is asking that what does the word confirmation mean to you? Okay, Musonda also surprised looks at Rose, and Musonda is also surprised that he is taking interest in this subject, and she looks at Rose that she will answer, hoping that she will answer. Then Rose is replying, confirmation, God confirms us and helps us in what we do, says Rose. Rose is saying that God confirms us and helps us in what we do, whatever we are trying. So God helps in that work. Okay. Then Simba does not say anything for a while. For some time, Simba, for 2 or 3 minutes, Simba is not saying anything. Okay, anything for a while. There is sadness in his eyes. Okay, everyone can see that now Simba became sad a few, and then he starts speaking. A few months ago, he slowly begins. There was a silence for some time, and then he begins that a few months ago, he slowly begins. My father lost his job. Okay, now my father is not having job. He is honest and responsible, and everyone knows it. That my father is honest and responsible, and everyone is knowing about this, that he is the very honest and responsible. For 18 years, he worked as a guard in a company. Okay, my father, for 18 years, he worked as a guard in one company, and uh, and then all of sudden they fired him. And all of sudden, what happened? That the company fired him. Fired him means what? They have dismissed that from that job. Okay, they fired him. We all know the reason. That he's saying, Simba, that we all know the reason why that they have fired my father. If they have kept him for 2 more years, he would have retired, and the company would have to pay him his pension. Okay, why they have fired? Simba is saying that we know that why they have fired his father. That he is saying that if 2 more years his father would continue the job, then he would be retired, and the company have had to pay the pension, because a person when he retires, the company has to pay the pension for whole life. Okay, so because of that, the company do not wants to pay the pension. Because of that, they have fired him. We don't have a lot of saving. He is saying that we don't have a lot of saving in their house. Even though my older brother helps us, even our older brother, he helps us, it looks like I can't go back to school next year because I cannot pay for my room and board. Okay, he's saying to Simba that I can't go back to school next year. Next year, coming year, now summer vacation is that next year. I can't go back to school. Why? Because I am not able to pay. I can't pay of my room where I will live, and for board, for eating and for everything. I'm not able to pay the money. So because of that, maybe next year I can't study. I can't go to school. I really love school. He's saying I really love school. I wonder why God does not help me. And he's saying that I'm thinking that why God is not helping me. Okay. So this is the Jasimba is explaining. Everyone looks in the direction of Mr. Mulenga, expecting him to answer this question. Now everyone, what he is doing? Everyone is looking towards Mr. Mulenga and thinking that, expecting that he will be giving this answer of this question. Okay. Mr. Mulenga smiles and says, Mr. Mulenga, he is smiling and saying that the God confirms us when we make an effort does not mean that life is easy. Okay, he is saying, Mr. Mulenga, that God confirms us, it does not mean that our life is easy. Okay, your lives will be full of difficulties. He is saying to everyone that your life will be full of difficulties, lots of difficulty you will face, and unfortunately many of them will be caused by injustice. And unfortunately, what will happen? Whatever you will get the problem, many of the problem you will be get because of injustice. People are unjust. They are not having the that they don't deal everyone fairly. There is injustice in society. Because of that, you will get problem. But you will have to work hard. But if you are getting problem, it does not mean you should lose your hope. But you will have to work hard. And even though things may not go the way you wish for a while, you should be sure of God's confirmation. Maybe sometime according to your wish things will be not moving. It will be not going according to your wish, what you want. Then also you have to be sure about God's confirmation. Then also you have to be sure that you will receive the God's confirmation. Okay, he will especially confirm you in your efforts to do away with injustice. When you will fight with injustice, so that time when you will make effort, so especially that time you will get that God's confirmation. He turns to Chisimba and says, your family is united and hardworking. He is saying that your family is united and hardworking. My heart tells me that things will change for you, and things will change for you, and you will finish your study. My heart says, he's saying, Mr. Mulenga, that I hope that you will finish your study. Take my words for it, he's saying. Okay, so this was the story. Now we are going to do the question answer. So here first question it is given, who is Chisimba? So answer already I have typed here. Chisimba is Godwin's classmate and a close friend. Okay. Next question, question number 2. What is Chisimba doing tonight? Tonight what Chisimba is doing? The answer is Chisimba is staying with Mulengal for dinner tonight. Question number 3. What does Musonda wants to talk about? The answer is Musonda wants to talk about confirmation. Question 4. What is Godwin surprised? Why is Godwin surprised? The answer is Godwin is surprised because Chisimba looks interested about confirmation. Okay. Question number 5. What does Chisimba ask Musonda? Chisimba asks Musonda, what does the word confirmation mean to you? Question number 6. How does Rose respond to Chisimba's question? Rose says confirmation. God confirms us and helps us in what we do. Question 7. What did Chisimba's father do for 18 years? For 18 years, what his father did? Okay. Chisimba's father worked as a guard in a company for 18 years. Now question number 8, here it is given that why was he fired? He was fired because he would have retired after 2 years and the company would have had to pay his pension. Okay. Question number 9. Why may it not be possible for Chisimba to go to school next year? The answer is it may not be possible for Chisimba to go to school next year because he cannot pay for his room and board. Question number 10. Why does everyone look in the direction of Mr. Mulenga? The answer is everyone looks in the direction of Mr. Mulenga, expecting him to answer Chisimba's question. Question number 11. What does Mr. Mulenga tell them about their lives? Mr. Mulenga tells that their lives will be full of difficulties. Question 12. What will be the cause of some of their future difficulties? The cause of some of their future difficulty will be injustice. 13. What does he say they should be sure of? He says that they should be sure of God's confirmation. It means they will get surely God's confirmation. So this is all for today's class. Okay, in today's class this much only. So home assignment, read lesson 6 nicely and try to understand. Next homework is that do the question and answer of lesson 6 in your copy, in your book, and learn nicely. All the question answer which we have discussed just now, all those questions you have to do in your book and learn nicely. Okay, so this is all for today's class. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.